Hello, welcome to Jeff's Juicing Corner. Today we are making a green juice. So we will do kale, cucumbers, celery, apples, and a little piece of ginger because this is super strong ginger. And today we're going to add just something green that's in the fridge. We're adding broccoli. Broccoli is really good with protein, and we will see you when we start to prepare. Now we're going to start to juice the kale. Basically, I start with the softer vegetables first, and then we'll move on to celery. And after celery, we can do cucumbers, possibly broccoli, and finishing with apples because they're the hardest vegetables. And we will see you when we're finished juicing. Thank you. Now we've juiced everything and we are gonna bottle it. So we need a strainer, a big serving spoon to grab it from the container that's full. I can't pick it up because it's so full. And I start by taking one scoop at a time. 1, 2, and I do this with them all. I add 2, and that's like the halfway mark. And then next round, I'm making another batch, I'll add another 2. So this will make about 1.5 liters of juice. And we will see you in a bit.